Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. If you could hit that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you're interested in nail videos, because that's all we do here. And today we're going to be unboxing April's Maniology Mani X Me box. This is a monthly subscription box. You can get on a subscription where you get it every month, or you can buy it one time, which is nice. So if there's a box that you like, you can just get that one without signing up for anything, or you can totally sign up because there's so much good stuff in these, and a lot of the time, well, every time, there is something like special to these boxes that you can't get otherwise. So I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys today. I was hoping I'd be able to speak better English in this video, but apparently we're still going to be stuttering stuff, so excuse that. First off, I want to say Maniology has the most perfect packaging. It's just done so nicely. It's so secure. This is like a very sturdy box. Just saying. Okay. So when you first open the box, you have this beautiful turquoisey blue back. It says what we create, and that's the hashtag if you want to follow that or check that out. So in here we just have my little packing slip, and we have 3 cards. You always get this like little deal. I get these in the mail too sometimes. So if you buy 4, you get 1 free. I guess you can scan this through this. I'm old. I don't scan QR codes, but you can if you'd like. So then you get, let's look at this first. Oh, I am loving the aesthetic of this. I think I'm going to keep this card. Okay. So it says, let your nail art shimmer like the sky with northern glow, a magical tribute to the aurora borealis. This month's Mani X Me journey takes you beyond the cosmic horizon, where swirling stars and celestial light create mesmerizing midnight skies. I am loving the way they wrote this. Very nice. Awash in cosmic radiance, Aurora Veil captures the ethereal dance of northern lights through flowing wave patterns, celestial flares, and abstract cosmic textures. Think galactic veils of light, atmospheric swirls, and glowing motifs that mimic the luminous energy of the sky. Let your mani twinkle with the magic of 1,000 stars with stellar whirl. This plate features a galaxy of star designs, from scattered sparkles to ornate bursts and swirling patterns that mimic the mesmerizing designs. Oops, I messed up. I was doing so good too. The mesmerizing motion of the aurora borealis. This plate brings sparkle to the universe. Okay, I'm gonna stop reading because, like... So you get Night Sky, which is a polish. It's a teal stamping polish with hollow glitter. And then you're getting Stardust, which is a silvery gold stamping polish. That's nice that they're mixing silvery and gold. I can't wait to check that out. And in this box, you're actually getting a extra plate, which is really, really nice. So yeah. And then this, they always include, it's like an idea for like what you can create with this box. And that's really, really pretty. Very gorgeous. I am into that. And it tells you how to do it here. Okay. So let's get into the good stuff. Like, look how cute this is packaged. I hope that reading of the paragraph wasn't too annoying. Okay. So yes, we have 3 plates. Let's look at the polishes first. And like I said, amazing, beautiful, lovely packaging. Just absolute perfection. Okay. So, oh my good God. These are so beautiful. The pictures do not do this justice at all. Look at this blue. It's called Night Sky. Oh my God. Look at all those glitters in there. This is absolutely so beautiful. Like, I can't even take this. Wow. This might be the prettiest polish I have ever gotten from Maniology, and I have gotten some beauties, but wow. Okay, And this is Stardust, which was the silvery gold, which I do see silver and gold. Wow. This is really beautiful too. Oh my god, these polishes are just so opaque and so beautiful all the time. Like, it's literally crazy. These are the most opaque polishes, like, ever. Look at the beautifulness of this. I can't stand it. Okay, let's swatch these. I can't wait another second. We are going to do Night Sky first. So I just have 2 nails off to the side. Wow. My camera's not doing justice. Let's just, oh my god. So pretty. I have 2 nails off to the side. I'm getting all excited here. Wow. So pretty. There we go. Now you can see it. Look how beautiful that is. And that is 1 thin coat. Gorge. Perfect. Now let's try Stardust. These were just extra tips I had because I ran out of swatch tips. These are actually the Tipex 5 Angels long square. They might be extra long square. I don't even know. But whatever. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's gold and silver. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Because I'm the type of person, I do mix my metals, like when wearing jewelry and stuff. I always wear gold and silver. So this is actually, like, really beautiful to me. I can't wait to take a look at those plates. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And the name Stardust totally, like, is that what this one was? Stardust, yeah. That totally goes. Look at how metallic this is. Oh my god. Stunning. Alright, let's take a look at these plates now. So this one is M676. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This always happens to me. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this. Do you know how beautiful that silver would look in this? Oh my god, I can't. So that's M676. Then we have M173. Oh my goodness, these are so stunning. What is my camera doing right now? Look at this. Oh my god. It's so silver, it doesn't want to, like, pick it up. Oh, these are so beautiful. Come on, camera. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god, yes. I am so excited. And lastly, we have M174. These stars, oh my god, I can't. These all really do go so perfect together. Now, why is it focusing? I don't know. Look at this. Holy crap, guys. These I'm so happy to add to my collection. Since we're focusing now. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to try these. Okay. I do not know what we're going to do, but I painted up off camera the other day a set of little medium almond press-on nails. I chose this, like, very dark jelly blue. I just thought it would do well with these colors. And what this is Born Pretty Gel, and this is from their Amber Glow Milky Jelly collection. So yeah, I just also added a layer of builder gel on these just to give some extra strength. And I just need to take a second and stare at these and decide what I want to do, because this is so beautiful. This is going to be hard. So give me a second. Okay, so I'm really drawn to this Stardust shade, and I just need to try that. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What is my camera doing? This is so beautiful. Guys, give me a second. This is crazy. It is not focusing. Alright, so I zoomed in. I want to do this on like every nail. This is so pretty. Let's do another. I'm always like such a mess, I swear to God. I just want to wipe off my stamper. Just a little bit. But we're just going to do the same thing. I want to do that on the thumb. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, I guess we should try the blue. Even though I love this silver so much. Let's do this one. Let's try that out. Oh my god, that looks so cool. I am loving this. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I gotta use more of the silver though. I want to add a little bit more to those. But first, let's fix that. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I cannot stand it. This reminds me of like marble countertops. It's so beautiful. But I have to say, this is my absolute favorite. Okay, I need to put a top coat on this. I'll be right back.